Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to fix Instagram. This page is not available at the moment. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Long page or long tap in Instagram application. Go to apps info. Click on storage. Again click on clear data. Tap on clear cache data. Step 2. Open Play Store. Go to search. Search Instagram app. Update your Instagram application latest version. Step 3. Again open your phone setting. Search Wi-Fi. You make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is properly connected. Step 4. Restart your device. Again open your Instagram app. You can follow all of the steps to fix Instagram. This page is not available at the moment. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.